Let's listen to an expert doctor, Lipika Parulkar, MD, Holy Family Hospital, Mumbai, for hypertension in young population along with the coronary artery disease and higher heart rate. Can be sure of happy heart? How do we define hypertension and when should we conclude that the person has hypertension?
So, supposing a patient comes to me and I check the blood pressure and find that the blood pressure is more than 120 systolic, that is the upper one, and more than 80 diastolic, that is the lower blood pressure. So, if it is more than this on two different occasions in the same patient, then I would tend to think that this person or the patient has high blood pressure. So that means the definition is at two different occasions in the same person. Sometimes there may be an increase in the pressure because of stress or because of exercise, etc. These people also have to be careful. That does not mean that stress can cause BP, etc. But we need to monitor the BP a little more carefully in such people because one may have pre-hypertension at this point.
Can high blood pressure be completely cured?
So to understand what high BP is, we must understand that, it is a cardiovascular ailment. So in that sense, blood pressure can be controlled with medication. So cure is when you do not require the medication at all. But blood pressure is something which requires control. So therefore, there will be medication which will be required with which one can have a healthy and happy life. Along with the medication, of course, that, the doctor or someone who is assessing you or treating you will, of course, add lifestyle modifications. What we call it as reduction in your salt, reduction in the weight, that is the central obesity. Of course, reduce or stop alcohol, stop tobacco, regular exercise, keep yourself fit. So these are the other lifestyle modifications which go hand in hand along with the medication.
Public awareness initiative by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Has there been a recent increase in the incidence of hypertension and heart attack among young patients? If yes, what could be the underlying cause?
As per the Indian government data, and I can tell you about India today. I think there was an article which said that there has, since 2022, there has been a significant rise in heart attacks, almost 12.5% in 2022 alone. And this could be because of, so many things. They could be because of stress, higher stress, because last year was difficult, 2 years before there was COVID, etc. So this could be one reason. Second is that could be that there is an increase in hypertension as well as heart attacks worldwide, because especially in the low income or the middle income countries where the people have possibly now have changed their lifestyles. That means they have consuming more of salt, they have switched from their traditional food to more of fast food, which contains more of fat or more of salt, etc. So there has been worldwide as well as in India increase in the incidence of heart attack.
Public awareness initiative by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals.